Hello guys, let's talking about improve your performance and Google search. Huh? చెప్పు bolo. The next step, first step, start now and go to this is your website URL. Copy and paste. Continue checking verification and HTML tag. Copy and go to website homepage dashboard and go appearance theme file editor and header php last header enter paste update file edited successfully. After go to website verified. This is a very full verification. I have not found the required location. Same again process. Copy and go update. Sometime network issue. Ownership verified method. Stay. Go to property. You can look at this performance. 3 total search clicks, indexing, performance, total impression 34, average 8.8 performance, pages, impression, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.